Hi guys, up on Durdham Downs. I did come up on the off chance there might be enough wind to fly a cheap kite I bought in a charity shop. The other thing I'm going to do is run this fella on the grass because it's cut fairly short, so we'll just see how it does. It gets no grip off these tyres because they're hard plastic, but you never know, it might react differently on the muddy grass. Let's have a look. I didn't recharge the battery after the last time we used it, but it's still showing 12 volts, 4.01, 4.02, 4.01. So yeah, that looks fairly well charged up. I am considering changing this bit of 3D printing that I did. I think I need it to be a little bit wider because I don't think the wheels are pushed out far enough at the moment. That is the suspension. When the wheels push up, they push this bracket in and that sort of flexes, or at least it would have on the original. That's fairly stiff, so it doesn't flex much on my version. Anyway, we'll switch it on and have a little run with it. I'll put a camera on top of it, but that's going to bounce around like anything, and that one doesn't have image stabilization, so probably not worth doing, but I've got it, so I'll put it on there. Right, wet and muddy. I think we'll probably burn the motor out. I think that's the most likely thing. This is my Mark II servo arm on there for the steering. Those front wheels are splayed out too much for my liking. Did I hear beep 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 then? I've got the low voltage alarm on there, but I think that might have been a car going by. wheels are catching the bodywork on full lock. Well, that's another reason for it. Oh, I see what's happened. Ah, right, hang on. That's come loose. That's why the wheels are right up. I need to do something that holds that in place then. Oh, that's a bit better. Fast as we can go. That's not really very fast. I think that'll do. It's probably long enough. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.